Good morning, students. Welcome in online English class. I wish all of you are safe and healthy at your home. I hope all of you have done first lesson's question answer. Many students send confirmation message and share picture of their work on ERP. Well done and keep it up. Keep it up. Now today we are going to start lesson second from Honeysuckle. How the dog found himself a new master. This is a humorous story about a dog that how he becomes a friend of the man. Nowadays we can see a dog as a pet animal, a dog as a tame animal. How it happens, we will read in this story. This story begins with the past. In the past, all animals was living independently. Dogs and wolves belong to the same family. Over the centuries, wild animals have been mastered and tamed by the man. This story informs us how a dog changed to a tame animal, to a pet animal. Let's start the summary of the story. In olden times, dogs, just like wolves, lived in the forest. They were bold, free, and were not afraid of anyone. They were their own masters. One day, a new dog took birth. The new dog was ill-pleased. Ill-pleased means not happy with this way of life. The new dog was not happy with the day-to-day struggle for food and danger of powerful creature. So he decided to find a master who is the strongest on the earth. So he started searching for such a master. To find his master, he began his search. And after a long walk and search, he met a kinsman. Kinsman's a relative. He met to a big wolf who was very strong, as the dog was afraid from him. The wolf asked to the dog where he was going. The dog told him that he was looking for someone to take service with. He asked the wolf if he would like to be his master. The wolf agreed, accepted him as a servant. The wolf agreed and accepted him as a servant. Both of them started walking. And after walking a long distance, suddenly the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed. Sniffed means, students, draw up air audibly through the nose to detect something. Draw up air audibly through the nose to detect something. In Hindi, sniffed is called sungna. Darted. Darted means moved. So the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed, darted quickly, and went deeper into the forest. He was detecting something and was trying to hide. The dog was unable to understand this behavior. So he asked his master. Who is the master here? He asked to the wolf what was affecting him. Then the wolf told him that there was a bear who might eat them. On realizing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog changed his mind. He left the wolf and turned to the bear. He asked him to be his master. The bear agreed to it easily. He suggested him to search for a herd of cows. Herd of cows means group of cows. So that he could kill a cow to fill their stomachs. So that he could kill a cow to fill their stomachs. After walking some distance, they noticed a herd of cows, a group of cows. But who is they here? Bear and dog. But as they tried to approach them, they were stopped by a terrible noise, by a horrible noise made by the cows. They were mooing. Mooing means, students, sound made by cows. Sound which was made by cows called mooing. They were mooing and running here and there because of fear. The bear looked from behind a tree and started running hastily, quickly, into the dense forest. He told the dog that this part of the forest was ruled by the lion. He was the strongest and most powerful animal on this earth. The dog was surprised to hear this, and he immediately left the bear. Why he left the bear? Because he knew that the most powerful animal, the most strongest animal was lion. So he moved towards the lion. Now the dog turned to the lion and requested him to be his master. The lion accepted, and the dog started staying with him and served him for a long time. Students, read this story carefully. How the dog, if the dog remained with the lion or not, what happened in the last, we will read it tomorrow, and we will discuss the question answer also tomorrow. So all of you please read this story. Thank you. Have a nice day.